Ear health myths and facts. Today you will learn what is true and what is false about your ears. Myth 1. Cotton buds clean your ears. Cotton buds push wax deeper. Your ear cleans itself. Wax moves outward on its own. Wax protects the skin. Wax stops dust and germs. You keep your ears safe when you avoid cotton buds. Myth 2. Earwax is dirty. Earwax is a natural product of your ear canal. It traps dust. It stops bacteria. It lowers the risk of irritation. Normal wax is healthy. Myth 3. Ear candling removes wax. Fact. Ear candling does not pull anything out. It can burn the skin. It can leave candle residue inside. It can cause blockage. It is unsafe. Do not use it. Myth 4. Hearing loss happens only in old age. Loud sound damages hearing at any age. Headphones can harm the inner ear. Music concerts and noisy work can do the same. Protect your hearing now. You will feel the difference later. Myth 5. You should remove all wax. Your ear needs a small amount of wax. Wax keeps the canal moist. Removing all wax causes dryness. Dryness leads to itching. Dryness leads to a higher risk of infection. Myth 6. Water in the ear always leads to infection. Most water drains out. Infection starts only when bacteria grow inside trapped water. Dry your ear gently. Use gravity. Use a clean cloth outside the ear only. Do not insert anything inside. Prevention tips. Lower the volume on your devices. Take short breaks during headphone use. Use ear protection in loud places. Visit an ENT specialist if you feel pain, muffled hearing, or ringing. Final message. Trust facts. Protect your hearing. Protect your ears. Watch more content from ENT Simplified for clear health guidance.